How to make a photo album on Facebook. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to your profile at the top. Once you're here, tap on Photos as shown. Here, you can view all your photos on Facebook. Now, go to Albums. Tap on Create Album. Give your album a new name and then tap on Save Above. You have now successfully created an album. Tap on Add Photos and Videos. From here, you can add photos and videos from your camera roll to this album. Select the photos you want and then tap on Done above. Once you're done, tap on Upload at the top right corner. As you can see, the photos are now posted to this album. Following these steps, you can easily make a photo album on Facebook.